guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to be talking about Unlich. So I was not actually expecting to make this video, but a new update actually has dropped based on feedback, and there's a new addition and some new features, which honestly, I was shocked to see. But yeah, let's actually dive into this. So let's see, what do we got here? So in the last update, they added aberrant forms, which is basically like the equivalent to Pokemon shiny forms, which the original odds were 1 in 1,000, which I tried to show you guys like in a 30-minute window. I wasn't able to catch one or see one, but it looks like they've made some changes. Let's see, what do they got here? It's like, hi again, as promised, this new update adds aberrant forms to the remaining monster recruitable in the demo and improves the chances of getting aberrant forms in general. Additionally, I've added local multiplayer PvP to the game. I was not expecting that, guys. Like, I do have my concerns because every time I swear I see multiplayer in an indie game, like, it normally doesn't go well, but we'll see. Maybe it's one of those things. This is done really well, but yeah, let's see what the rest of this update has to say here, along with a few other additions that you can read about in this devlog. So we got the list of additions in 0.1.9.6, which includes new aberrant forms for the remaining monsters that didn't get one in the last update. Additionally, I've improved the odds of attaining one from 1 to 1,000 to 1 in 250. Oh, that's definitely decreased. Still good odds, but still, like, that's not going to be like 7 hours of grinding potentially. But yeah, let's see. This is because aberrant forms are meant to be a fun cosmetic collectible. Okay, so there's our solid answer from the dev. They're not going to give you any bonuses or anything. They're just basically, you know, you're collecting them for the for the different colored aspect. But if you're just playing the game, they're not going to do anything to power you up or anything, just other than just look cool. And I wanted to keep hunting for them a fairly chill experience. I'm still open to feedback on this, and I'm already have a few plans for mechanics to make hunting for them a bit more interesting. So what I learned from the last video, or the last time I played the demo, the dev actually in the YouTube comments actually basically told me kind of a cheat way of doing it. If you go to the actual like healing tower, or not tower, but the healing shrine, it resets the whole area. So I don't know if maybe the dev is going to be like improve upon that mechanic, but if you guys are currently playing the game, let me know if that method still works. Okay, looks like we got some pictures of some of the new aberrant forms, and then right here, alpha version of local PvP from the main menu. You can use the multiplayer option to load teams from your single player saves and battle with them. Currently, you need a keyboard and a gamepad to play this local PvP, but I'm working on a hot seat mode that should be added by the next update. Hopefully in the PvP pre-battle menu, you can respec, change monsters from the box, and equip or unequip glyphs and accessories just like in single player. Okay, that's good to know. So it's not just going to be only your monsters. So there is plan to potentially kind of like doing a Pokemon showdown where you can kind of change things around. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then this is still early version. Obviously, guys, this is all a demo. So just like what it says, it still might be buggy, but I'll release hot fixes as needed. It's an important step towards getting this mode working well before adding online PvP and trading. Oh, there we go, guys. We're getting trading as well. That's freaking awesome. Like, even if PvP doesn't make it to the final cut. Just having online trading is honestly, I'm happy to see that. Just that feature alone. So it looks like we got some pictures of what we could potentially see on the PvP and potentially trading. I kind of like the screen there. You could even add a mode where you hide the other team. I know Pokemon loves hiding the other team for like strategic reasons, which is kind of cool. But honestly, this is the early version of this. This looks really cool already. Okay, so what do we got here? Looks like we got new skills and moves. A few monsters got new skills and moves to help differentiate more than from each other. We got Cranium in particular received some nice buffs, new special effects and battle theme. Or new sound effects. Okay, sorry. I'm apparently blind. And battle themes have been added. Hold on, I can't even read. So new sound effects and battle themes added new sound effects for opening doors and a few new battle themes for undead and accursed battles. Big thanks to Petrotone or Tune and TAK_MFK for their awesome work. Finally, I want to mention that I'm going to try to make these devlogs updates a monthly thing, since they are a great way to push myself to improve the game. Honestly, that's a really good starting point. Even if they're every other month, I completely respect that. Even if you don't have anything to show, but just talking about, hey, even though I don't physically have anything to show, but just like, just a simple, even just a simple paragraph, like a couple lines just saying, hey, key thing I was working on this month, visually I'm not going to be able to show you guys, but behind the scenes we worked on this and this. It's nice to see that the dev is actually trying to, keep us updated with this, because honestly this game has a lot of potential. For those, okay, this is definitely a good part right here. For those who might be worried about the addition of multiplayer, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little concerned myself. They said, don't be. Unlich is primarily a single player game, but I think it's always cool to have the option to trade or battle other people with your monsters. That's a really good mindset. I really like that the single player is the primary and then the PvP or even the trading is the secondary. So that's a really good mindset to go into. So even if this is like the only update we see with the online or the PvP section, and we don't see another 6 months down the road and the single player only gets updated, honestly, I'm happy to see that. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited to see these new changes. If you guys have already played the update, let me know down below if if anything that you guys think I should know before, because I might try to get my hands on this new update and try it again. I really want to really want to find some of these Aberrant forms or these shinies, and let me know if doing the little healing healing shrines actually resets the whole area, or if the devs watching the video, let me know if that actually does still reset with this current update, or throw some ideas out in the comments, for some interesting feedback, guys. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.